Good evening. Tonight I'm going to attempt to show you something I don't think anybody else has discovered yet. But this is the Quansheng TK11 8. We're going to turn it on. Oop, and drop the manual. And you're going to want to type in the VFO 223,500 or just somewhere in that range. And if you try to PTT, it'll probably tell you that you can't. But just make sure you type 223,500 in the VFO. And then we're going to turn her back off, and we're going to access the secret menu by pressing either one of these PTT and this first function at the same time while turning the radio on. Once you get there, it'll come up with F-lock. Make sure that is off. And then I cannot remember the exact order that I did this in, but it's what really matters. But you might have to try a few combinations here. You go through using the arrow keys, and it may not let you turn band TX on band 7 on straight away. And if not, that just means go over here to lock RX-S, and you could put just 223 or 222 megahertz in there. If you want to unlock the airband too, you put 180 megahertz in there. Then you're going to go over, and I think 349.99 is about all you can get. And then to the next lock TX-S, put 180 or 223 in there. Just something that encompasses the 220 band. And then, if it did not let you before, then go back over here and turn band TX band 7. Turn it on by pressing the menu key. You see that arrow down there, and turn on or off. Press the menu key again. And we're going to hit exit. And you don't have to turn it all the way off for it to save. You can try it out right now. So we'll hit the top PTT. K5 UCL. See, we are transmitting. And to prove it has some output power, this is not exactly a field strength meter, it's a RF current meter, but if I get close enough with the antenna, I can couple to the coils inside. Make sure you can see that we are on 223,500. Let me press this PTT. And you see it does not look like very much power. There we go, maybe you can see it a little better. The K5 UCL. See, we're on 223,500. And if I can get you in there, see the deflection of the needle. So we are getting power out on 1.25 meters. And I have already accidentally keyed up on 180 megahertz. And there's a lot of power going out there, so maybe don't put 180 megahertz as your minimum frequency in there. Hope this was clear and concise enough that you can figure it out, but it's really when you go in that secret menu, there's a certain order that you're going to have to play around with to find, in which it will actually let you change parameters. You have to change that receive frequency, the first one you come to. If you're going to the right, you have to change it first, and then you have to change the next receive frequency, and you could just set it to 222, probably be safer, keep you legal, and then turn on the band, is I believe how it went. And I tried resetting the radio to see if I could duplicate it over again, but those settings did not reset. But anyway, make sure you're RF responsible. Try to measure some harmonics on 223/500 before you start polluting the airwaves. But there you go. That's how you turn on 1.25 meter transmit on the Quansheng TK11.